Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Odyssey, and today I've got something super exciting for all you social media managers, freelancers, and marketing pros out there. We all know managing multiple social media accounts can get a bit overwhelming, right? You know the drill, juggling multiple clients, keeping track of content calendars, and trying to stay on top of your game. It's exhausting, right? Well, not anymore. This template is like your personal assistant, but way cooler and doesn't need coffee breaks. It's perfect for you if you're a social media manager who loves Notion and wants a simple, stylish way to manage your projects. Let's break it down. First up, we've got a super intuitive navigation system. Everything you need is just a click away. No more endless scrolling. Next, there's a task list that lets you prioritize your to-dos. Because let's face it, not all tasks are created equal. The content calendar is a game changer. It's like having a crystal ball for your content strategy. You'll never miss a post again. Now, here's where it gets really good. The client portal. It's your one-stop shop for managing briefs, files, deadlines, and even invoices. It's like having a personal secretary, minus the attitude. But wait, there's more. We've got a monthly content batch board, a Pinterest promotion tracker, and even a networking database. And for all you cold email warriors out there, we've got a tracker to help you conquer those inboxes and slide into those DMs like a pro. Need to plan a campaign? We've got you covered. Want to organize your content into buckets? Done and done. And here's the best part. It's all customizable. You can tweak it to fit your style and needs. It's like having a tailor-made suit, but for your work life. From client onboarding to collecting those sweet testimonials, this template has got your back. It's like having a Swiss Army knife for your social media management career. So, are you ready to level up your social media game? The link to this amazing template is in the description below. Just a few clicks and it's all yours. And hey, while you're down there, why not hit that like button and subscribe? I've got tons more templates coming your way that'll make your work life a breeze. Remember, organized social media managers have more fun and probably more followers. So grab this template and let's crush it together. See you in the next video.